In this guide, we're going to show you how you can use the snipping tool here in Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the snipping tool is great for taking screenshots. To actually open it up, you can either use this search bar down at the very bottom and just type in snipping tool and it'll pop up right here, or you can use the shortcut, which is Shift Control S. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you may also have a print screen button on your keyboard. If you select that, it'll do the exact same thing. Now, when you do open it up, you're going to see a bunch of different capture modes. By default, it's on this rectangle mode, but you can also put it to window, full screen, or freeform. In this demo, I'm just going to use the rectangle mode. But essentially, go ahead and select new, and then just click and drag just like so, and it's going to highlight an area. You'll see it'll be like lighter in one area and darker than the other area. Go ahead and just drag it to capture wherever you'd like and let go, and it's going to take that screenshot, and you'll see it right here. Now, up at the top, you're now going to see tools like drawing, highlighting, and cropping. By default, screenshots are going to be saved to the screenshot folders, but if you do make edits, you're going to have to hit the save button up in the top right again to update that file. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. That is how you can take and edit screenshots with the snipping tool here in Windows 11. If you do have any questions, remember you can ask them down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.